We have been going through a bunch of construction on our house for a few years. Since like 2021, we had a home flood that happened, and we've been going through like every level of our house. Everything that could go wrong inside has basically gone wrong, and we've fixed all of that. So we had Guardian come out first, and I had just found them on Google and just they had a lot of good reviews. So I was like, hey, we'll start there. And so Jimmy from Guardian came out, and he was the only. We had 4 different companies come out to do bids for us. He was the only one willing to like even get close to being on the roof, but he was like, yeah, no, your roof is not safe to stand on. So, but he went up there and at least got pictures so we could see what it looked like, because we had no idea. We have a very tall roof, so we had no clue what the condition was. From the very beginning, it was complete honesty of everything that needed to happen and why and what we were going to be getting, and the choices that we got to have, and like, you know, the colors and all that sort of stuff too was great. But just the openness was something that we needed to be secure in doing this job.
So when they were here, they were really quick. They were really efficient. They were also, everybody was in a really great mood. They were singing, making jokes. Anytime I had a question, it was in and out. I had a couple of requests that I made personally. They made sure that they hit that every single time. It was like the easiest construction team we've had in over this whole entire thing. And yeah, they were fantastic.
We can't say anymore how much we recommend Guardian Roofing for roofing needs, for gutter needs, for any of that exterior stuff. They have been fantastic.